Hey guys, I just want to show you some kind of video directions for this assignment 2 in week 5. So hopefully it will clarify some things. So what you will do is you will hopefully watch this video, and then you're going to open up this document that tells us the directions for this assignment. And what you're going to do is you will be given two different systems of equations, linear equations. So I have 6 different options for you to choose from. You're gonna choose two of them, okay? So say you choose 1 and 6. Okay, now looking at 1 and 6, you're gonna say take one of them and you are going to solve it algebraically, okay? So the steps where we set them equal to each other, solve for x, then solve for y, like we did in the first big chunk of the lesson video. Then with the other problem, you're going to show me how to solve it graphically, okay? Sorry, when you do it algebraically, just take a picture of your work and you're going to submit that. For the second part, what you're going to do is you're going to use our internet has a free graphing calculator. So I give you the link. It's desmos.com/calculator. So if you go and open up the link, you will be given, move this over a little bit so you can see it. You will be given the spot right here to just type in. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to use the bottom one. So I have y equals x. So I'm going to type in y equals x and it will draw the line. Hit enter and then I'm going to type in the other one, 4x minus 9. Y equals 4x minus 9. And it actually puts it in a different color, which is great. Hit enter. And now what you're going to do is you're going to find where it intersects. So see how it intersects, you're going to put a dot there, okay? So just click on it and it tells you the point, 3, 3. And you can highlight it so it like actually shows 3, 3. And then what you're going to do is for this project, this part of the project, you're going to hit this button that says share graph. And you are going to hit export image. And you can go ahead and hit download and it's going to save it as a picture. So then you're going to submit this on the Google Classroom page. And so you'll have both your written work for the one problem and then the picture for your other problem. Okay, hopefully this makes sense. You're going to submit both pictures to the Classroom page. Please reach out if you have any questions. I just want to see, is there a way I can save this? Okay. So that's all you're going to submit. So ignore that last 10 seconds. But hopefully it all makes sense. Reach out if you need anything. Thanks, guys.